today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily track inventory in Zoho Books. If you manage products, this feature is essential to balance supply and demand while keeping your business running smoothly. So, let's jump right in. Before Zoho Books can start tracking inventory, you'll need to enable inventory tracking and configure your items. Once that's done, Zoho Books automatically updates your stock levels with every sale, purchase, or adjustment, saving you time and eliminating manual errors. Now, to monitor your inventory, head to the Items section in Zoho Books. Here, you'll see 3 key metrics that give you complete control over your stock. First is stock on hand, which shows the total quantity you currently have available. Keeping an eye on this ensures you can meet immediate and upcoming demand. Next, you'll see committed stock. These are items already reserved for open sales orders. They're still in your inventory but already promised to customers, helping you understand what's truly available for new sales. Finally, the most important figure, available for sale. This is your stock on hand minus your committed stock. It tells you exactly what's ready to be sold right now, helping you avoid overselling or running out unexpectedly. Zoho Books presents all this in a clear, intuitive dashboard, giving you real-time visibility into your inventory health. By tracking these numbers, you can make faster, smarter business decisions, like when to reorder or promote certain products. With Zoho Books automated tracking and insightful reports, you'll not only save time but also maintain perfect stock balance, keeping your customers happy and your operations smooth. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Zoho tutorials.